The world of off-road vehicles has always been filled with rugged, tough machines designed to tackle the wildest environments. But every once in a while, a truly special vehicle comes along that redefines what's possible. The Ineos Grenadier Kaiju is one such creation, and it's not just another pickup truck. This one-off, custom-built version of the Ineos Grenadier Quartermaster takes the concept of a hardcore off-road vehicle to a whole new level, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Named after the Japanese word for giant creature, or monster, the Ineos Grenadier Kaiju was created as a promotional vehicle for the Australian market. It's designed to showcase the capabilities of the Ineos Grenadier Quartermaster, but with a twist. This monster of a truck is built with some serious off-roading accessories and modifications. Unfortunately, this beast will never make it to your driveway, as it's a one-off project intended only for use at various promotional events across Australia in the coming months. Still, it's worth taking a close look at what makes this pickup truck so special. At the heart of the Ineos Grenadier Kaiju is the Grenadier Quartermaster, which is already a rugged, Defender-inspired vehicle built to handle the toughest conditions. But this special Kaiju edition takes it to an entirely new level. Thanks to Ineos' collaboration with several leading 4x4 accessory suppliers, this truck has been decked out with modifications that make it an absolute powerhouse for off-road enthusiasts. One of the first things you'll notice is the custom-designed tray and canopy, crafted by Norweld from lightweight aluminum. This isn't just for show, it's built to handle the most challenging environments. The tray features a 40-liter water tank, a 1,200mm trundle drawer with a drop-in table, and a 2-pack paint finish, ensuring durability and resistance to the elements. This makes the Kaiju an ideal companion for long-distance adventures, offering a practical and rugged solution for those looking to spend extended periods off the grid. And when it comes to keeping your food and drinks cool, the 130-liter Bushman fridge is the perfect addition. But that's just the beginning of the Kaiju's capabilities. Red Arc has contributed a powerful 2000W inverter and a 150Ah lithium battery, rated for over 5,000 cycles, ensuring that you have enough power for all your gadgets, tools, or other off-grid needs. To ensure the truck can handle the roughest terrains, JMAX has installed remote reservoir electric shocks with 16 stages of adjustment, providing the perfect balance of comfort and durability. For beach and desert recovery, Maxtrax has added its beach recovery kit, and Steedy has enhanced the vehicle's lighting system, including a 4-inch flood beam, 4-inch spot beam, and a 7.5-inch work light for maximum visibility. As if all that wasn't enough, Ineos has also equipped the Kaiju with several of its own custom accessories. A bull bar, rock sliders, and checker plates ensure protection from the toughest obstacles you might encounter on the trail. The vehicle is also fitted with a snorkel, auxiliary battery, and 17-inch steel wheels, which are perfect for rough terrains. An access ladder at the back rounds off the rugged design, giving the Kaiju both functionality and style. Despite its jaw-dropping modifications, the Kaiju is based on the Grenadier Quartermaster, a vehicle that already impressed with its versatility. The Quartermaster platform is known for being a blank canvas that allows for extensive customization, making it perfect for anyone looking to build a true off-road monster. The Kaiju version takes this concept to its extreme, combining cutting-edge accessories with the practicality of the Quartermaster. What's particularly interesting about the Ineos Grenadier Kaiju is that, while it won't be available for purchase, many of the parts used in its build can be ordered directly from the accessory suppliers, including Steedy, Norweld, and others. And what's even more impressive is that Ineos offers factory-backed warranties on many of these aftermarket accessories, so buyers can customize their own Grenadier with confidence. As Justin Hosbar, Ineos Automotive's regional director, said, the Kaiju Quartermaster is the culmination of Ineos' Australian vision of built for more. It's a bold, creative expression of what this iconic off-road vehicle can be when pushed to its limits. While the Kaiju will remain a one-off, its influence on the future of the Grenadier lineup could pave the way for even more extraordinary off-road builds in the future.